The Golden Knights have won an impressive record of over 460 national championships and over 100 world championships. Over the past 58 years, the United States Army Parachute Team has broken approximately 350 world records, including military records held in the Council International. Jumpers are away. High overhead, 12,500 feet. They're going to be hard to see. Look for the red smoke as they make their way towards the ground. Here they come, straight overhead. Coming to us at 120 miles an hour. Silhouetted nicely against the white clouds. Both jumpers descending side by side. Sergeant Rico Stefantes and Sergeant Jason Boulder. And there's one good black and gold chute. And there's the second. Again, Sergeant Ricos will be displaying the Canadian flag, and Sergeant Jason will be displaying the United States flag. And we'll be honoring both countries with the national anthem of both Canada and the United States. As they make their way down towards the ground, we'll tell you a little bit about these parachutes. They are called ram air parachutes, and they are actually controlled by control cables that the jumper will use pulling left and right. This allows them to steer the parachute in the direction of flight. They have a forward air speed of about 22 to 25 miles an hour, and they operate under the same principles as the Wright brothers' first aircraft. The Wright plane did not have ailerons, so he actually warped the wing to turn it, and that's exactly the way these skydivers control their chutes, by pulling on the control cables, warping the parachute, and allowing it to turn left or right. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, the Canadian National Anthem. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please join us for our national anthem. JBNBL Open House and Air Show, Power in the Pines Air Show. Members.
Light expansion and a small, deep calibration device known as a parachute. Created initially to save a pilot's life as he from his disabled aircraft, parachuting has evolved through modern aviation technology to become the extreme sport of the 21st century. Good morning, ladies. I'm Sergeant Rico Safuente, originally from Phoenix, Arizona. It's been my proud honor to climb the nation's colors on this, my 1,810th free fall parachute jump. I'll describe for you today precision free fall, as performed by members of your United Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights. At this, members of the Gold Demonstration Team is circling high overhead. And I just think of this C-31 Friendship Aircraft. An altitude of 12,000. The jump master is asking toward the air. His head is outside in the wind and the cold. Through a series of head and arm signals, and the jumpers are out and the stick is on. We now have members of the Golden Knights rapidly approach the speed of 120 miles per hour. The jumpers will fly the bars together to form this incredible mass formation while in free fall. The formation continues to fall at 120 miles per hour. And there's there you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights. As you may have guessed, these jumpers are faced with a unique situation, a traffic jam in the sky. They must first gain vertical separation in order to allow individual approaches into the target area. This is accomplished by pulling down on the front part of the parachute and spiraling down at speeds set up it just like you fly the aircraft at a Disney airport. The parachute used by the Golden Knights, the medium range, at 1,000 feet, the jumper does what is called a wind penetration check, checking his distance and speed across the ground. He then downwind and face leg 9 degrees to the target and faces the wind for a final approach. Ladies and gentlemen, these jumpers can hear you very well at this altitude. Let's make some noise for your Golden Knights. These jumpers are performing what is known as showline spread. They will land along the showline to give each and every one of you a closer view. Once again, let's make some noise for these jumpers as they bring it in. The United Army Parachute Team was formed in 1959 at the home of the airborne, Fort Bragg, North Carolina. At that time, the team consisted of 19 original members. 8 was selected to assist in the parachute techniques, to provide world-class competition parachutists, and to perform live aerial demonstrations in support of Army public relations and recruiting. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for this last jumper as he brings it in for a target area landing. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our performance for the morning. And on behalf of the entire team, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being such a warm and receptive airborne audience. In closing, I leave you with this final thought. In the future, may all of your days be prosperous and your nights golden.